Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start with the new chapter of algebra, that is arithmetic progression. Before going to the topic, we'll discuss what is sequence. A sequence is nothing but the collection of numbers arranged in a definite order according to some specific rule. Each number in the sequence is called a term of the sequence. The number in the first position is called the first term and it is denoted by T1. The number in the second position is called the second term and it is denoted by T2. If the number is on the third position, it is called as the third term and it is denoted by T3 and so on. The first question, which of the following sequences are arithmetic progression? Here we want to check whether the given collection of numbers are AP or not. AP is a short form of arithmetic progression. If it is an AP, we have to find the common difference as well. The first question in that, the collection of numbers are 2, 4, 6 and 8. Solution part, the sequence is 2, 4, 6, 8. Here we will say T1 is 2, that is the first term. Second term is 4, third term is 6 and fourth term is 8. Now we will check the difference between two consecutive terms. Consecutive means one after the other. So we will check T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3. We will see the first difference, that is T2 minus T1 is equal to nothing but 4 minus 2, where 4 is the value of T2 and 2 is the value of T1. So the answer is 2. If we will see all the differences, the answer is same, that is 2. If the answer is same, then we will say it is a constant. If the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, then the given sequence is an AP and that constant number is called as the common difference, that is T. The second question, 0.3, 0.33, 0.333. So here what? T1 is 0.3, T2 is 0.33, T3 is 0.333. Again we will find the difference between two consecutive terms, that is T2 minus T1 and T3 minus T2. So first is T2 minus T1, that is what? 0.33 minus 0.3. If we will subtract this, we will get 0.03. Second is 0.333 minus 0.33. If we will subtract this, we will get 0.003. Here clearly we can see both the differences are different. So we can say T2 minus T1 is not equal to T3 minus T2. So the difference between two consecutive terms is not constant. Therefore the given sequence is not an AP. Third question, the given sequence is 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 3. So here T1 is what? 3, T2 3 plus root 2, T3 3 plus 2 root 2 and T4 is 3 plus 3 root 2. We'll do again. We'll find the common difference between two consecutive terms, that is T2 minus T1 is equal to what? The value of T2 is 3 plus root 2 minus the value of T1 is 3. So if we'll see here, plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled, we'll get what? Answer as root 2. Similarly, we'll find T3 minus T2. So we'll get what? 3 plus 2 root 2 minus inside the bracket 3 plus root 2. If we'll open the bracket, sign will change. Plus will become minus. As both the numbers are positive, both will become negative. So plus 3 will become minus 3 and plus root 2 will become minus root 2. Again we'll see here 3 and 3 both numbers are same but sign is opposite, gets cancelled. remaining is 2 root 2 and minus root 2. If we'll subtract, we'll get root 2. So here we can say the difference between two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP and the difference is root 2. Next question, write an AP whose first term is A and the common difference is D in each of the following. First term is nothing but T1, you can say. So what here, A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 5. It is given to us. We are knowing that T1 is equal to A is equal to what? 10. Now T2 ka formula is what? T2 is equal to T1 plus D. T1 ka value is 10 and D ka value is 5. If we'll add both, we'll get term number 2, that is 15. For term 3, we'll write what? T2 plus D. Yeah, absolutely correct. So what is the value of T2? 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. Similarly for T4, we'll write T3 plus D is equal to what? 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. So we can say for finding any term, we have to write what? Previous term plus common difference. So we'll get the given term. So the required AP is what? 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Next question, A is equal to minus 1 to 1.25. That is term number 1 or first term I can say, and the common difference is 3. Again we'll write the same formula. T1 is equal to A is equal to minus 1.25. T2 is equal to what? T1 plus common difference, or we can say D. T1 ka value is minus 1.25 plus the common difference is 3. If we will calculate, the answer is what? 1.75. That is, if we will subtract, we will get 1.75. Now what is the formula for T3? We are knowing previous term plus common difference. The previous term is what? T2 and plus D. So T2 is what? 1.75 plus D is 3. D will remain the same everywhere. It will not change. Just your previous term will change. So if we calculate, we will get 4.75. T4 is equal to again T3 plus D. So T3 ka value is 4.75 plus 3, that is 7.75. So the required AP is 1 minus 1.25, 1.75, 4.75, 7.75 and so on. Now next question, we have to find the first term and the common difference for each of the following AP. Now if we will compare this question with the first question, there we have to check whether it is AP or not. Here it is directly given that the given numbers or given sequence of numbers or given collection of numbers are AP. Just we have to find the first term and the common difference. So the given AP is what? 127, 135, 143 and 151. We are knowing the number at the first position is called as T1. The number in the second position is called as T2. Third position T3 and fourth position is called as T4. So here we can say T1 is equal to 127, T2 is equal to 135, T3 is equal to 143, T4 is equal to 151. As we are knowing, A is equal to T1 is equal to 127 and D, since it is an AP, so we'll get directly D. D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is 135 minus 127 is equal to 8. So the first term is equal to 127 and the common difference D is equal to 8.